Hey, how you doing? My name is Michael Weintraub, and this is my Module 2 Everyday Chemistry video. So I did the second experiment, the one that involved burning a candle. And so when I burned the candle, I noticed the flame started pretty close to the wick. It looked like it was a little above the wick, but from experience with candles, I know it's on the wick. So the color of the flames, at the bottom of the flame it was blue, and at the top it was white. Those are different colors. And there's a little bit of smoke when I lit the candle, but I did it in my dorm, and the smoke alarms didn't go off, so it was okay. And the wax got really hot and it melted, and it kind of just ran down the candle. And when I blew out the candle, there was a lot more smoke that was created. The smoke was white. The wick was still glowing a little bit, maybe for a couple seconds after I blew it out. And the wick got a lot smaller. It got black, and it got much smaller after it was burned. After I did the second part of the experiment, with the smoke, I noticed the flame got a lot bigger. Yeah. And so what seems to be actually burning in the candle, in my opinion, seems to be the wick. That's what's burning. It could also be the smoke, because after I put the flame in the smoke, it did get bigger. So it might actually be the air, and fire needs oxygen. So yeah, it's probably actually the smoke. I didn't relight the candle any more times because I was worried about the smoke, because again, I did this in my dorm. And I found it was easier to light the candle when it was warm. That could just be because the temperature immediately surrounding the wick is warmer, so the fire has an easier time starting. And the way this relates to everyday life is much like wood, like lighting wood. Much like the candle, when the outer layer of the wax is burned away, the outer layer of the wood will be burned away for more fire, and that the outer layers of the wood will slowly turn to ash, much like the wax of the candle will burn. And obviously, fire from wood is one of the most important things in human history. Goes hand in hand with the importance of fire. So yeah, thank you.